Hi YouTube. I wanted to do a review on our stroller, which is by CoCraft. This is the walking stroller, and I will show you. This is what it looks like when it's all folded up. Stop, Joe. And then when you unfold it, you have this part of it.
You're so Hollywood, baby. You're so Hollywood.
Please stop. To go away. Are you looking at me?
Yeah.
So this is
her sister. This is my sister. This is my mom. This is the stroller.
This is the seat. Now the cool thing about this is the one big thing why I liked it was that you can put it on this side. Put it on this way, where it looks like this. Or you can push these buttons. Come on, look at me.
I need to get more footage of Katie.
And flip it to the front.
Ew.
You got this?
Yeah.
Okay. And so then there's the front one. You can also, this also has a nice big canopy. Are you looking?
Yeah.
Nice big canopy. You better have me in here.
I am.
And it can lean all the way back. And the seat thing can go down or completely up. So there it is. CoCraft.
Ready to move to LA?
So here's what it looks like. It has the straps, and these can come out when they get bigger. This has the belt that you can easily snap in. It has a cup holder, but it's in the car, so I'm not going to get it. And there's 3 wheels. The 3rd wheel in front here can lock. And we have cup holders. So, all in all, if I had to give it, rate it with 5 stars, I would give it a 4. I could.
Alright, Luke?
No. Aki's. Katie Ann. Say hi.